everyone, and welcome back. It's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and today's video is going to be a celebration and a look back at Beading School's first year in operation. And as many of you know, I've been collaborating with Beading School for about the same duration, and they've been a big part of my creative process throughout that time with their inspiring and high quality collection of materials, including the Preciosa line of crystals and pearls, their handmade art cabochons, historic filigree, things that you really can't find just anywhere. But I'll talk more about Beading School and some of my favorite things from the year after I give you this quick rundown on the giveaway. If you would like to enter for a chance to win their 2022 signature bead box, which I just shared last week, you can click on the link below. It'll take you to the blog post that has the giveaway entry form. I'm keeping it really simple. All you need to do is be a subscriber to my YouTube channel, and as an optional entry, you can give the video a thumbs up. This giveaway is open worldwide to anyone 18 years of age or older, and it'll run for about a week. So at that time, I will have the winner randomly selected. I will email the winner asking for their shipping details, and then I'll give that to Beading School so they can fulfill the prize. Now let me fill you in a little bit about Beading School if you're not already aware. Erica Sandor is the creative mastermind and jewelry artist behind the company, and her business was formerly called The Storytelling Jeweler. Over time, Erica decided that she wanted to not only focus and share her own designs or have a bead store, but have an actual community that focuses on building others up, learning and teaching, building skills, appreciating art and design, sharing ideas, all those sorts of things. And she and the team have really done an amazing job, and it's been so incredible to be a part of their journey as they celebrate this one-year milestone. The Beading School bead shop is so much more than just a bead shop, and Erica has done a great job making it feel like an extension of her own creative space. So she wants you to feel like you're there creating with her, pulling out drawers, looking into organizers, selecting beads, and finding joy in the entire process. They've also done a wonderful job bringing together so many beaders and bead enthusiasts from all over the world. They're based in Europe, they ship worldwide, and of course they have access to some of the best because of their close proximity to the Crystal Valley, where they're able to directly source things for us. But in terms of one of the awesome things they have done to bring people together from across the globe is their weekly workshops every Friday called No One Has to Bead Alone. This is something that began in March 2020 during the first lockdown of the pandemic, and she has kept these weekly sessions going ever since. It's truly something I think they should be really proud of, and I encourage any of you to join in on those Friday sessions if you're looking for more of a sense of community and fun and learning with others. She has people joining from Australia, India, throughout Europe, the US, Nicaragua, and more. Sometimes over 100 people joining in, and you'll be able to gain access to a project and work on that together with the group. I'll leave the information for that down below the video if you're interested in participating in the weekly workshops. They also have a Beading School Club on Facebook. It's a place where you can go to ask questions, get inspiration, share your work, meet new friends, and hang out with like-minded people. And like she says, that group is many times referred to as the Beady Sisterhood. And besides their values of community, compassion, and creativity, when you do receive something from their bead shop or one of their subscription boxes, they want every package you open from them to feel like a celebration, and they really do a great job with that as well, often including little extra sweet treats or other little gifts included in the package. It truly feels like you're opening a present, and it's such an exciting thing when that Beading School package arrives. Speaking of which, one of my favorite things from this past year is hands down their brand new bi-monthly beading subscription, because even their subscription is way more than that. The amount of thought and care that has gone into putting together each one of those packages is so impressive and inspiring, because they're not just sending you a box of materials, which is simply wonderful on its own, of course, but they're also providing you with a story and inspiration and articles and projects, live weekly group sessions with other subscribers, learning opportunities, sharing opportunities, and so much more. Those always feel like a special gift and a whole event when they show up on your doorstep. And I know personally I've been very inspired by the subscription itself, and many of the pieces that you see came directly from those contents. They launched the subscription in September of last year, so far we've gotten 4 of the boxes. I can't recommend them enough. I'll leave the information for that down below the video. Also, I have the unboxings for each of those if you haven't seen them. One of my other favorite things about Beading School is their other specialty non-subscription boxes that they put together, such as what they call the dangerous fuchsia boxes that are often packed to the brim with various product lines like Preciosa nacre pearls, sew on crystals, the cup chain, the pure cabochons, and on. And it's such an amazing way to sample the various product lines from Preciosa all in one box, giving you an immediate stash of all different colors and finishes and a great way to work with the different colors and see what you like. Besides Preciosa, they have specialty boxes for other items as well, like a new connectors box. They have historic filigree, which you can't find anywhere else, and more. And then they also have some curated boxes, like they did the sparkly snowflake box celebrating more of a wintertime feel. They had the bloom box back during the summer. And of course, I have to mention the Moonlit Terrace box, which I curated with Beading School, that was launched back in October with a ton of projects to go along with that. And it flew out of their bead shop, just like their subscriptions have. It's been amazing to see the response. And when you're starting out, it's hard to gauge sometimes how many of those to have on hand and put together. So they have been adding more and more spots to their subscription as time has gone on, and they see the demand that continues to grow. And we were better prepared for the Cherry Blossom Festival box this time around too, making sure that one didn't sell out immediately so more people would be able to get their hands on it. That's another highlight from this past year, putting together that second box, which I shared a couple weeks ago, and I'm in the process of sharing tutorials to go along with that one as we speak. What's one other thing I love about Beading School? Well, the finished pieces, the creations, the tutorials, the patterns, these images of things that I've created solely based on Beading School's products and their boxes and subscriptions. And that's something you really can't put a price on. It was so much fun taking this look back at the past year. Huge congratulations to Beading School on this milestone. I look forward to seeing you all continue to grow and inspire us while bringing together people in the beading community and being a positive, upbuilding, and fun environment. So check out all the things Beading School has to offer. Make the most of it by subscribing to their subscription box and everything that entails. Maybe join in on their weekly workshops. Follow along on Facebook and also subscribe to their emails so you know what new things are happening. Be sure to follow the link down below the video to take you to the giveaway entry form. I wish I could give each and every one of you one of these signature boxes, but I am so pleased to be able to surprise one of you awesome viewers with that prize, and of course there will be more giveaways in the future. Huge thank you to Beading School for all of the Orchid and Opal collaboration over the past year, and of course you all for watching. I am so grateful to have you. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Beading School, or if you have a favorite thing about them that you'd like to share, or anything else you'd like to say. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and feel free to share with your other bead-loving friends. That's all I have for now, but I will see you again real soon. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And as always, happy beading.